Hi, today we're making low-calorie overnight oats, and these are perfect for back to school since they'll be ready in 2 minutes. First, we're going to start with a third cup of oats or 30 grams of oats, and a tip is to leave some oats out so when you add in your milk, it'll be easier to assess whether or not you're going to need more oats. So pour in your milk, and it should be about this consistency, so you should have a little bit more oats than milk, and then if you have your oats drowning in milk, then just add more oats. And then assess whether or not you need to add more oats or more milk. And then you're going to add in 2 to 3 tablespoons of yogurt. I added 3 because I like my oats to be a more pudding and thicker texture, and then mix that well together. You can also add drinkable yogurt if you don't have the thick yogurt, or you can just use milk. It works always. It should be about this consistency. Next, you're going to add in blueberries or any fruit you like. You can use bananas, peaches, apples, and then you can add a little pinch of cinnamon for some added taste. Refrigerate overnight or at least 2 hours. After a good night rest, here are your overnight oats. I did not add any peanut butter because peanut butter is actually quite high in calories, but there's no added sugar in this. There's plenty of calcium, nutrition, and fruit, and this is low in calories. It's so good and delicious. And feel free to customize this with any fruit or chia seeds or anything that you'd like on top. This is an example of a thicker oatmeal that I made with just milk and no yogurt. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Bye!